Our team coverage turns to three Western Mass families literally stuck inside their homes right now because of trees and wires surrounding them in Hampshire County and Huntington. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis is live in downtown Springfield after speaking with one of those families. Leon?
Yes, Jordan, Larry and Jean Bean were home when the storm rolled through yesterday, and they are without power. Now, take a look at your screen. This is where the photos of the damages leading to the Hollow Clark Road home, where they have lived for 40 years. Many large trees down, power lines too. The couple tells me the tangled mess is similar to what they experienced in October of 2011 when a snowstorm passed through western Massachusetts. Minus the snow, they say they were without power for 10 days, but hope it's not that long this time.
It's very unsettling when you think you might have an emergency. We're in our 70s. I'm 77, she's 74. And we both have health issues. And if we have an emergency, we can go nowhere.
The town of Huntington Highway superintendent, who shared these photos with Western Mass News, says they will do everything they can to help folks in Huntington who are stuck like the Beanses.
Fire, ambulance, police, don't be afraid to call any one of us. We will get personnel to you. As far as power company, they have not given us an ETA, so we can't do it to them. But we are here for the public, and we do what we have to make everybody secure and safe.
Eversource provides power to Hollow Clark Road, and while there's no timeline for these customers, Eversource did tell Western Mass News that they hope to have most of the outages restored in Western Massachusetts by midnight tonight. Live in Springfield, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.